So this is my latest outfit I got from the thrift store, and even though you can clearly see the fast fashion label, I'm gonna say it's vintage because it sounds so much cooler. So now's the time where I put everything on so you can see everything on a body. And now I'm just gonna kind of pose around in a room in my house so you can see the outfit better. And then take off the jacket, and there's the jumpsuit and the lovely lace tank top I got. And I also put a really cool hat on for some more styling inspiration for you. Stop! Okay guys, I'm sorry, I can't do that anymore. It's just so silly. And I'd really love to know, why are these thrift haul try-on videos so popular? I can't get my head around what is interesting about watching what someone else bought at a thrift store and then watching them put it on and wear it and flounce around their room wearing it. Anyway, if you can let me know, leave it in a comment below, because I'm interested. I'm genuinely interested in finding out. And again, also let me know, what kind of videos do you guys want to see me doing more of? Do you like the DIY refashions, upsizing videos, more tailoring type of videos, no-sew videos, easy sewing refashion videos, decor videos? Let me know in a comment below what you'd like to see. But please don't ask me to do thrift haul videos. And as always, head on over to my Confessions of a Refashionista for loads of thrifty tips, tricks, and refashionista tutorials at awesomesauce.com. And subscribe, and let's get sharing and have everybody living life more sustainably and shopping pre-loved and wearing pre-loved and just enjoying pre-loved fashion. And until next time, I'll catch ya on the zigzag.